Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a staple of pantry essentials, the Rani red Chori whole, also known as Adzuki beans. These beans are making waves for their versatility and quality in the kitchen. Stick around as we uncover why these might just be the best red beans you can get in bulk. Now, if you're into natural, vegan, gluten-friendly, and non-GMO foods, you're in for a treat. These Rani red Chori beans are sourced from India, known for their rich flavor and nutritional value. They come in a generous 64-ounce bulk pack, perfect for those who love to cook in large batches or meal prep ahead. Traditionally used in various cuisines, from Indian curries to sweet Japanese treats like red bean ice cream. These beans are incredibly versatile. They resemble smaller versions of kidney beans but offer a distinct flavor profile that's slightly sweet and nutty. Let's whip up a quick and easy red Chori curry. Start by rinsing the beans thoroughly, then cook them until tender. Add your favorite curry spices, tomatoes, and onions for a hearty vegetarian meal that pairs perfectly with rice or flatbread. The aroma alone will have your family gathering around the dinner table. Nutritionally speaking, these beans are a powerhouse. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, making them a great choice for anyone looking to boost their plant-based protein intake or maintain a balanced diet. In conclusion, the Rani red Chori whole beans are more than just a pantry staple, they're a culinary delight waiting to be explored. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, their quality and versatility make them a must-have. That wraps up our review today. If you've tried these beans before or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!